We have to find the second derivative of our y function. Variable is theta. To find the second derivative, we need to find first derivative. So y prime is equal. We have to copy, like always, the constants. 1/4, we just copy, times derivative of sine is cosine, and we have 2 theta. And because we have composite function, now you have to find the derivative of expression which is inside. Derivative of 2 theta is just 2, so will be times 2. This is equal. We can reduce 4 with 2, will be 1/2 times cosine of 2 theta. Now we have to find the second derivative. It means we have to find the derivative of our first derivative. We have constant, so we have to just copy this 1/2. We have composite function, so first we have to find the derivative of function which is outside. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we have times negative sine of 2 theta, we just copy. And now we have to find the derivative of expression which is inside. Derivative of 2 theta is 2. So this is equal. 2 and 2 we can reduce because we have multiplication. So the answer is negative sine of 2 theta. This is second derivative of our function.